Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I am gonna tell you about if one side of earbud is not working and another side is working, how you can fix it in your Mivi earbuds, and this is applied on every Mivi earbud. So let's start the video friends. So if it is one side is very loud and another one is slow, it means it has less charge, or you have uh, change the settings from your application that one side of earbud is very low or another is high. You have to reset your settings from the application also and reset the both earbuds, this Mivi earbuds, by long pressing it, and it will reset it. And you have to charge properly till 2 hours, and then it will perform very good. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.